Okay, so Andy, Photoshop is very simple and you can do it as easy as possible. So all what you need is to get your software being installed, then you start the process. So I'm just creating something small for you to see. You see, we have banner, we have flyer and posters. They all work the same but different sizes. You can't call a poster as a flyer. A poster is a poster, a banner is a banner, and a flyer is a flyer. So with your mom's catering service, let's create something here and see. So assuming I want to create a flyer for a mom for her catering service, all what I need is to set up my page. The person in A4 and A5 and even A6. You get it. So I just go to file, go to new, then maybe name it flyer. Alright, then my page, I want to set the flyer to A5, so it's already at A5. And don't forget to put the resolution as 300. The smaller the size, the higher the resolution. The smaller the size, the higher the resolution. And always your color mode should be RGB color. Then you press OK. Now this is your page. It's an A5 page for flyer. Okay, so now let's create what you call a flyer for your home. You get it? Just something simple. I just want it because I want it software as now want how flyers, banners, posters works together. Okay, so let's start. So let's start with maybe your mom's catering service is called Freda, or let's say name like guys wears, ladies wears, shoes and those stuffs. So let's say Freda. All right, let me give it a color. Okay, so Freda clothing and wears. So Freda clothing. Sorry. So Freda clothing and wear. Okay, so let's use this letter for West, capital F for Freda. Alright, so this is the brand name for the company, and you see what I'm doing. We call this transform angles. Well, you can just either resize it by clicking here to get the size. This is the size and the font family or the font type. You can click here and change it, and the size you can click here and change the size. Or you can use what you call the transform angles. The transform angles by clicking on shift key on your keyboard, click and drag like this, and it works perfect. So you click OK. Don't forget to always check that sign whenever you do a change. Click it, then let me bring end waist down. So I just type back like that and I bring it down and expand it a little bit to, let's say, 48. So now we have Freda clothing. Clothing. Okay, let me make this capital. So Freda clothing and wears. Now my way to handle a day being necessary. Do I have a concept? If I don't have a concept, then what should I do? That's what you need to ask yourself. And how am I going to get this concept? Someone will ask you, because concepts in any way. You can go online and search for it, or you can create your own concept. But when you are starting as a beginner, when you're starting a Photoshop, you don't need to worry yourself by creating your own concept. Otherwise, you end up with doing nothing. So what we have to do is go online, find a concept and look on the concept and do it as it is. But as time goes on some idea, you can create it yourself without looking, but without going for an online flyer or whatever. You get it? So now let's create something small. I just want to show you something small. Okay, so now what do I need? Okay, now we are talking about clothing and wear, so at least we need to get some clothing and maybe some wares for our brand. Okay, so now let's go to desktop and see if we have those things there. Okay, now I have some clothing that I use for my animation, so I will choose this, I will choose this, I will choose this, and maybe this. So let me select them and bring them here, like that. Thank you. Okay, so the first one is my attire. Let me bring it here, boom, like this. All right, so this is my way. Nice. Okay, so let me bring the other one. Let me delete this and bring the next one. This is the shoe. Nice, boom. So I have my shoe here. Again, let me delete this one too, then bring this shoe too, boom, like that. So that one too, I increase it a little bit, delete that too, then we bring the last one, that is bar, like that. Alright, so you see, very simple. I just did it and it look amazing. You get it? So many ways to do graphics. This is not what I plan of doing, but it's a concept. You see how the arrangement looks like? Or you can even decide to make this attire a little bit bigger. Something like this. You get it? Then instead of you placing this just anywhere, you just create what you call a shape around each. So you just hold on at your shift key on your mouse, you click and drag and leave your hand. You see, you get that round shape. You get it? Maybe you color it like this. Okay, so let's bring it down here. The reason why I'm bringing the shape down is I don't do it with layers. So whenever you do a shape, you have to bring it down so that those ones will come. How should I even put it? Send a bear. You see, I don't deal with layers, so always don't forget. Say, I didn't have some fun to so that thing should rather go top, and the shape should come down. You get it? As I did it right now. So now you can see my shoes is on top, and to this one to do the same, and this one to do the same. Now I have three shapes, 3 shoes and 3 shapes. So what am I going to do now? I just need to color them according to how it looks like. So this is also like a black mode, but black is not nice, so let's choose maybe this color. Very nice. You get it? And you can just reduce the size. It's too big like this. As I said, so what do you have to do? As I said, select it all the two together, and it shouldn't be. I want it to be on top of the attire, so I just click them. We are now select it. One is here, but the other one should also come to the top. So I say. So boss, yeah, baby, we are designing something. Okay. So if you don't understand anything, you can send me a message after these tutorials. So you get this one too. So you select this one too. You see, I told you I don't deal with layers. So always, as I say, so the shoe too should come on top of the layer, so that it will be nice. Okay, so and I reduce the size a little bit like this. You get it? And then make a second crack. Okay, so let me reduce the shoe and crack. Alright, so I do the same to this one too. Alright, maybe I made the same thing to this. I want to be on top of it, then I reduce it a little bit. Okay, and I reduce my shoe too a little bit like this. Okay, so that is it. Yeah, if I want to add a star to it, I can either add it or not. And my favorite, you get it. So many ways to do this works. And so let me add stroke to it. Add stroke. It seems I'm going fast there. Okay, don't worry, I'll teach you. This is just a beginning, don't worry. I just want to show you something small. Alright, so this first set is done. So now you can see we have this attire. Now you can see we have a simple artwork. Then you have maybe a telephone number, which is telephone is 0547 9562 90. Perfect. Then just center it nice. Then we draw a shape background. This is a shape background by going to the shape and drawing a shape on top of your page. But because I told you I don't deal with layer, so because the layer is on top, it's not down, it's on top. A cover page, so unless you bring it down, so the better you can see the items. Now you can see the items there, but the color is black, so let's change to a different color like this. Alright, something like this. You get it. Now you see, because black and this pink color doesn't match, it my artwork in the face, so you can change it and make this look white. Choose the color white, press OK, the number to change it to white, and you press OK. Are you getting it? Now it looks raw, so what we have to do is what you call gradient. So I go here, FX, I select my layer, I go to FX, gradient, then back. I've done my gradient. You get it? Very easy to do it. Very easy. All you need is to understand the software, and you can do great and marvelous things, my brother. Very easy to do it. Very easy to do it. Okay, the rest of it, you can just add your own star. Whenever you want to add a star, you can add it. If you want to add any star, just leave it like that. You are way to go. So I can say this is a very simple flyer. You can add more, you can do more to it, and it will be very nice. Charlie, thank you. But just you can send me a message. Maybe I will I'll do it and send it to you. Thank you.